Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a key ID incorrect issue on a Nissan Altima. First, ensure your key fob battery is not dead. A weak battery is a common culprit. Next, try using your spare key to determine if the problem is with a specific key or the vehicle system. These initial checks can save you time and potential repair costs. Often, the problem is simpler than it seems. Check your key fob battery first. A new CR2032 battery costs only a few dollars. Sometimes, strong radio signals or even your cell phone can interfere with the key's communication. Moving the key away from other electronics and trying again can sometimes resolve the issue. If a new battery doesn't work, you might need to reprogram your key. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, then immediately to off, and remove it. Repeat this cycle 3 times within 10 seconds. This often helps the car recognize the key's ID. If these steps don't resolve the key ID incorrect message, it's time to consult a professional. A Nissan dealership or a certified automotive locksmith has specialized equipment to diagnose and fix more complex issues with your car's immobilizer system or key transponder. They can perform advanced programming or replace faulty components. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.